What's going on, boaters? I am on board a 2026 Barletta Lusso 23 UC. This is the perfect boat for you and your family this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your two bow couches. You have your gray interior. This boat is equipped with your JBL speakers. Up front, you also get your nice armrest. Makes it super comfortable when you're up here sitting. You have your hidden trash in here. Perfect for keeping the trash away during the day. You also get your hidden doggy dishes as well. So bring your pets on board. You have your co-captain and your captain's chair. You have your nice dual Simrad touchscreen displays. This is also RGB lighted, so you can change the colors. It gives it a nice little extra touch in this boat. You have your rear lounger as well. Change it in different positions, whether you want to be laying facing the back, or you can have it sitting towards the front, or bring this all the way back, lay it down, and face towards the front. You have your stainless steel rear gate as well, so you can block off the back area. With this having the safety stanchions in the back, it is legal to sit back here while you are underway. And then another great feature is you are going to have your anchor storage here in the back. Makes it super easy not to have to ask your family and friends to get out of their seats. If you want to come see this boat at MarineMax Nisswa, you're going to want to come check it out today. Let's get you on the water this summer. We'll see you soon.